What's up everyone, I'm Lumberjack Nick, and today I'm going to show you how to color grade your video footage in whatever editor you're using in Lightroom or Photoshop. So in order to do this, we just need to download a utility. It's called IWLTBAP LUT generator. That's a free download. I'll leave a link to that in the video description. And then I just downloaded a quick little video clip off of Pixabay. So check out Pixabay if you want any free video clips or photos. So I'm going to go first into Adobe Premiere. So I'm going to go ahead and import my video clip. So here's my video clip here. So I'm going to open it. And then I'm just going to drag it onto my timeline. And you can see that it's just a quick drone clip. So I'm just going to pick a spot in it. Doesn't matter where it is. Now, if you're using Premiere, this process will be exactly the same, but most other video editors will be able to do this function. But for Premiere, you're just going to take a JPEG screenshot of this frame. So with Premiere, it's this button. So I'm going to export that. So I'm just going to put it in my video project file for now. So I'm going to save it. And then now we need to use the utility. So let me bring up the utility. So this is the LUT generator. You just pick whichever one you need. I'm going to use Windows. I'm going to open it. Okay, so there's two buttons here. So a cube file is a LUT file. So that's what you would import into your video editing program that it can read. And basically what it is it's just a color map. So it's just a picture that has different colors in different spots that all video editing programs know how to change different colors around. So the first thing we need to do is generate a HALT file. And the HALT file is just a blank slate of the LUT. So I'm going to generate that. And I'm going to generate that and I'm going to put it in my video project temp folder here. And then we're going to leave this open because we're going to need this later. So next I'm going to go into Adobe Lightroom. So here I am in Adobe Lightroom. I'm going to add the still image that I took and the HALT file, which is just going to be a ping file. I'm going to add that into a album or just get them into Lightroom so that you can see them both. So here I have the two. I have the HALT file, which is this one here. And then I have the screenshot that I took in Adobe Premiere. So I'm going to import. Okay, so now I have them both in Lightroom here. And what we're going to do is we're going to open this picture. And then in Lightroom, I'm going to just color grade it however I want. Now this is Lightroom CC, but this works in regular Lightroom too. So in the theme of cyberpunk, let's see if we can give this street like a little bit of a cyberpunk look. And this isn't really going to do that for us, but I'm just going to kind of tune up the whites and shadows. Let's see if we can make some things pop. So we'll make the colors a little bit brighter. Yeah, that'll be good for later. Perfect. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the red channel. And then this is probably where we're going to get like a cyberpunk look. So let's push this a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Pull that around. Ooh, that's cool. Let's see. This is probably going to be very extreme. Yeah, cool. And then we should be able to use white balance. Yeah, how's that? That's cool. Looks a little bit cyberpunk. Let's see. Ooh, there. That's even more. Perfect. Okay. So as you can see, we're kind of destroying the colors here, but this is just kind of for demonstration purposes. So anything that's here all the way down to color grading in Lightroom will work. All of this other stuff like texture, clarity, sharpening, all that, don't touch that. So anything that you can do up to this point, you can add. So you can even do some of the color grading, just push things around even more. Like, this is really just completely up to you, like however you want to do it. I'm not going to use this for this one because I already think that that looks pretty cool, but anything you want to do here, like if you want to change the orange, play with green, play with blue, doesn't matter. Okay, so now that we're happy with this, all right, what we need to do is we need to go and copy the color grade from our screenshot to this HALD file. So I'm just going to hit Control-C, or you can also do photo, and then you can do copy edit settings. And then I'm going to apply that to this HALD file. So you can see that this changed colors here. So this is what the original looked like, and this is what it looks like with my color grade applied to it. Okay, so now we're just going to export this HALD file as a JPEG. So I'm just going to click the export button here, and I'm just going to do a JPEG large. I'm just going to put it in my video project temp folder. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do is we need to go back into this LUT generator program, and we need to import the HALD file in to convert to a cube file. So the cube file, like I said, is what your video editing software can read. So I'm going to click this convert to cube, and then I'm going to go and pick my JPEG that I made. This is the original. This is the JPEG with my edits. So I'm going to open it, and then it's going to say, please wait. Okay, so it says conversion is done, and this will just put it right back where it was. So I'm going to go to my video project temp folder, and you can see it here, neutral.cube. So now we're going to go back into Adobe Premiere. So I'm going to go into Premiere here, and then we're going to import this LUT. Now you can import it from basic correction, and like I said, this might be different if you're using another video editor, but really what you're just trying to do is you're trying to find a menu that lets you import a LUT or import a cube file, same thing. So I'm going to go to, you can go to Input LUT, or you can go to Creative. And the difference between this is if you do an Input LUT, it doesn't really let you adjust the intensity of it. So I'm going to do it from the Creative menu. So I'm going to click on Look here, and I'm going to click Browse. And then I'm going to go to my project temp file, and you'll see the cube file here. So I'm going to go ahead and open that, and you're going to see that it just applied my same color grade to the clip. So if we go back to Lightroom, you can see that this is now using my color grade. And then you can see that this is what the whole entire clip looks like now. So I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions on the process or have any comments, you can go ahead and leave them in the description or in the comments section, and I'll try to answer them if I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next week.